Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading Scaredy Squirrel at Night by Melanie. Scaredy Squirrel at Night. Scaredy Squirrel never sleeps. He'd rather stay awake than risk having a bad dream in the middle of the night. A few creatures Scaredy Squirrel is afraid could appear in a bad dream. Dragons, fairies, vampire bats, polka dot monsters, unicorns, ghosts. So he's very determined to stay awake by keeping busy all through the night. Scaredy's nighttime to-do list. Count stars. Should keep your occupied for a while. Play combos. Loud annoying noise is sure to keep you wide awake. Take up scrapbooking. Keeps you well organized and productive. So night after night, Scaredy avoids sleeping. But side effects of sleepiness night may include energy loss, moodiness, poor reflex, confusions, hallucinations, drowsiness, forgetfulness, and exhaustion. That's what Scaredy Squirrel comes face to face with something very alarming. Horoscope. Find out what the stars predict for you. Libra. Get ready. At midnight, all your dreams will come true. There's not a minute to lose. It's time to prepare for the worst. A few things Scaredy Squirrel needs to face his bad dreams. Spotlight, cupcakes, banana peels, fire extinguisher, safety cones, fan, teddy bear decoy, sign, pillow and blanket, Wallace. Bad dream action plan. Dragons are a huge fire hazard, so keep extinguisher in tree. Not a fan of ghosts? Start a breeze, and they'll be blown away. Please place sign upside down so bats can read it. Fairies have a sweet tooth. Distract them with cupcake. Polka dot monster can't spot banana peels. Watch them slip and slide. Wallace will slow down a unicorn in a sticky solution. I am here. Creatures think I am sleeping here. Important. These creatures avoid light. Hide behind spotlight switch, and at midnight the creatures will disappear. Remember, if all else fails, play dead until sunrise. So Scaredy Squirrel gets into position. As he counts down to midnight, his bad dreams seem to come true, one by one. But when he turns on the spotlight, 100 intruders appear. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He steps in the molasses. He tumbles over safety cups. He slips and slides on a banana peel. He lands on the pillow and plays dead. and fall asleep. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 8 hours later, Scaredy Squirrel finally wakes up. Benefit of a good night's sleep may include energy gain, happiness, better reflex, sharper memory, good health, peacefulness, cleverness, and clear thinking. Scaredy Squirrel forgot all about his bad dreams. He realized they were just in his imaginations and nothing horrible happened in the night. A good sleep has inspired him to get rid of a few things and replace his horoscope with something much more trustworthy. A fortune cookie. Sweet dreams. And I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.